There's some good news for New Mexico's federal workers affected by the shutdown. Several companies have now stepped up with big help to avoid falling behind on bills. News 13's Chris McKee is here with more.
Jessica, several utilities, banks, and credit unions across the state are now offering zero-interest loans and payment plans for furloughed federal workers at no extra costs, and more are expected to join in.
It's become a problem for utilities and lenders in the last few weeks.
And we know that a lot of our customers are impacted.
Customers who are federal workers without a paycheck and facing bills they can't afford.
And really, they're just looking for assistance.
But help is on the way, with several companies stepping up to fill the gaps, one of which is the New Mexico Educators Federal Credit Union.
And we've got a couple of dozen folks who've actually taken out the loan so far.
The lender is now offering up to $6,000 in a zero-interest loan to federal employees temporarily out of work. They're expecting hundreds of customers to need help.
We prepare for occasions like this so that we can all help our members and the community when they need us.
Other banks and credit unions have created similar programs, including Los Alamos National Bank, Kirtland, Sandia Labs, Sandia Area, and the U.S. New Mexico Federal Credit Unions. Utilities say they're helping too.
We're willing to work with them on payment arrangements.
PNM has started a payment deferral program for federal workers in trouble.
So if we actually show up to a customer in that situation and they can show us that they're affected by it, we won't turn off their power, and we'll work with them on payment arrangements as well.
Albuquerque-Bernalillo County Water Authority and CenturyLink are also offering similar programs. Congresswoman Michelle Lujan Grisham has been working with many lenders and companies to make this happen. She says it's been surprisingly easy.
Some folks were already working on things. Other folks were happy to participate in a larger group effort.
Congresswoman Lujan Grisham says she's also spoken to several insurance companies about payment help, and she says she's expecting several large ones to offer some kind of reprieve for furloughed workers soon. Jessica, back to you.
Okay, Chris, several regional and national banks have also offered help, including Bank of the West, Bank of America, Capital One, and Wells Fargo.